हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ बॉडी केयर एम्प्टीज शेयर करने वाली हूँ। आई हैव सम बॉडी वॉशेस, सम लोशंस, सम डिओज एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, all related to body care products that I want to share with you today. I want to share my mini reviews whether these products were worth the money or not, whether I will repurchase them or I will say bye bye to the products. Let's discuss. So let's begin with the video. So before we begin, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. The first product is from Studio Westside and this is coconut water body wash. This was enriched with hyaluronic acid and coconut extract. First of all, I love how basic this packaging is. It looks very nice, mature and like fuss-free packaging. This, as the name suggests, was very kind of like coconut watery and slightly tropical in nature. I really enjoyed using this one. It cleanses the body really well, does not strip off my natural oils, and overall made me very clean and had a very clean girl vibe to it also. So overall I like this one and I want to kind of test and try other variants that are present there. It looks very interesting to me, so I am going to repurchase but some other variants. Next is from Sirona and this one is paraben free body wash. This is vitamin C body wash. This is how the product looks like. Now, not a huge fan of this one because this was just not lathering on me and I did not feel squeaky clean because of that. Like every time I used to start using this product and I would go overboard using it because I was just not feeling clean enough. And it kind of has a very medicinal vitamin C fragrance to it, which did not sit well with my body chemistry, so I kind of finished it with great difficulty. This one has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, sandalwood and Tasmanian pepper fruit, and it just looks very promising but just didn't work for me, so it's not going to be a repurchase. Third one is Tropical Tango from Plum Body Loving. Now I really enjoyed this one. A very basic tropical fruity fragrance, a very generic fruity fragrance basically. And again, the body wash quality was good, cleans well, keeps the body hydrated, and overall gives a clean girl vibe basically. And the fragrance was not very overpowering, so it was like nice, fresh, airy, breezy kind of a feel with this body wash, so I liked it, but it's not something that I'm like going gaga about, so I don't want to repurchase this variant. I think they have Plum Body Loving has better variants than this one, so not going to repurchase this one. Then I have another one which is called as Shine On, and this is from Zudio, and Shine shower gel was again a fruity shower gel, and this was actually better than Plum Body Loving for sure. So this could be a repurchase. I'm still kind of like on the edge about it because I like the other variant more. Like this one is called as Fantasy, and Fantasy was my personal favorite as compared to the blue one. This one is very fresh, green, floral, aromatic kind of a fragrance, which I personally enjoyed more in my shower than this one, to a point that I went ahead and got a lotion in the exact same variant, but to my disappointment the lotion does not smell anything like the shower gel, so I was kind of very disappointed with that fact. But for the shower gel, I think this is the best Zudio shower gel that I have used so far. Out of the two, this is a repurchase, this not so much. Then I have two deodorants, and one is from Eva Splash, the blue one, and the other one is Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes. Out of the two, my personal favorite was Vanilla Vibes, not just because the fragrance is amazing, but it was more effective in terms of keeping me odor free the whole day. And you know, in the start, when I used it, it really was very stinky, and it was like when I applied it on my underarms, I was getting a very severe burning sensation. But after two usages, somehow suddenly that burning sensation went away. I don't know if the product, you know, had some problem or something like that, but only in the starting two usages I found it uncomfortable to use it. After that, it just was like there is no burning sensation after two usages, so I don't know, I'm very confused. But I've gotten almost 3 times, like 3 backups of this, and when I started using the other one, Vanilla Vibes only, but the other bottle, same problem, like first 2 days burning sensation, after that nothing. So I think it's something to do with the way the product is sitting inside, I don't know. And about this one, Eva, this was just for my nostalgic, because during college time I used to wear Eva deodorants, so it took me back. It was nice, but after 3 to 4 hours, it would just be non-effective on my immense body odors. So out of the two, I don't like the Eva one, not going to repurchase it. Vanilla Vibes, I already have 2 to 3 backups. Next one is from the Body Shop. It is the body butter in the variant Mango. It's such a gross packaging that I'm like feeling very bad to show you in this condition, but that's what it is. It just collected dust over the time, and even when I was using it, it was still collecting dust and it just settled on top of it. I don't know what to do about it, and anyways, I'm finished with this one, like completely finished with this one. Overall, I was not a huge fan of this variant. Initially the fragrance was nice, and over the time the fragrance kind of became a little bitter, like how mango goes bad and the fragrance of that bad mango indicates you that the mango is gone bad. This just had that bad mango feel to it. So initially I liked it because I found it very natural and sweet and fresh. Later on, the fragrance started to bother me, so I had to kind of like just get over with it. So I just finished it, and when half the tub was done, that was the time when I got bored and I stopped enjoying the product. So I'm not going to repurchase this one. Then I have this aloe vera cream from Moist. Now this was my dad's cream. Like, he used to wear this one and he used to like this one, and this just gave me a wisp of his, basically, of his scent. So that was the reason that I got it and I tried it. And even though on my face when I applied it I got breakouts because of this, I was only using this on my hands and legs after that. But to be honest, I just want to keep repurchasing this throughout my life because this reminds me of my dad, and this reminds me of how he used to smell. So very herbal, very green, very mature, very natural, organic fragrance this one has, and this just reminds me of my father. So yeah, I will definitely yeah, I'll definitely repurchase this throughout my life. Like, even if I don't use the cream, just for the nostalgia, I'm just going to go and grab this one. Then, not a body care product, but it's like a nail lacquer remover, and this is the Travel Vibes. This one is from Color Bar. Very convenient. Whenever I was traveling, I would carry, there were like cotton strips which had the product. Very easy to use, very convenient, and the packaging was very fuss free. Overall, I like this product, and every time that I'm traveling or something, I prefer something like this. So I kind of liked it, and it will be a repurchase. Then from Pilgrim, I have a makeup remover, and this is Squalene Biphase Micellar Water. So on the skin, this was working really well in like stripping off that makeup, but when I was using it on my eyes to remove my kajal and liner, it was so stinky and burning. Like, I just could not handle the way the product was burning on my eyes, and every time I would literally get anxious with the level of burning that it would create. So it had become very difficult for me to use it for my eye, like removal of my eye makeup. So on my skin and face, really good. For my eyes, I found this very harsh. Overall, I don't think I want to repurchase this one. The last product is from Lakme, and this one is Lumi Cream. This is moisturizer with highlighter. Ideally should have gone into the face product empties, but it's okay. It's okay, we'll go with it. So this was like a nice kind of like a cream that has a sheen to it, and when you apply it on your skin, it gives you like that feeling of glow from within. So this was nice that way, but not something that I want on a daily basis, because when I start getting that oiliness on my face, overall I kind of already have a natural sheen on my skin, so I don't find very comfortable using this cream on daily basis when my face just starts glowing much more than what I need it to. So this is not a repurchase for me. It's not a bad product at all. It's a nice product, and for people who have the right skin texture for it, they will really enjoy it. I just felt that this one was not for me. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this product empties body care edition. Let me know what are your views from the views that I shared. Do you resonate with me or not? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.